Welcome back everyone. So today we are going to build the IR receiver and IR remote with Arduino. Now here I wanted to demonstrate one project. It's a very simple project. Whenever I press the IR remote one button, then one LED will glow, and whenever I press the 2, then buzzer will turn on and off, right? So it's very simple project, but based on this project you can build the another project. Like if you wanted to turn on your LED, like turn on the lamps, fans, you can turn on that by using the relay with the Arduino. You can interface relay with the Arduino, and after that what you can do, after picking up the relay, you can turn on the another appliances like fan, like tube light or LED lamp. So you can do that as well. So basically what I wanted to do here, I have interfaced one IR receiver. आप देख सकते हो डायग्राम में, ये जो डायग्राम है, अभी मैं आपका टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करूंगा, पूरे डायग्राम ड्रॉ नहीं करूंगा. आप यहाँ से मतलब वापस से नहीं बनाऊंगा सर्किट. आप ये देख सकते हो that it has 3 connections. IR receiver has 3 connections, like out, one is out pin, one is ground, and one is VCC. We all know that this is power terminal, so I can make it red. So this is power terminal, so I have connected to the power, and this is ground, it is connected to the ground. It's very easy, आप देख सकते हो. And now out is connected to the digital pin 10. ओके, सो ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है कि डिजिटल पिन 10 को ही कनेक्ट करें, ये आपके ऊपर है, आप कैसे कनेक्ट करोगे. आप कोई भी डिजिटल पिन यूज कर सकते हो. ओके, सो नाउ आई हैव यूज्ड one LED and one buzzer. So basically LED is connected to the digital pin 2 and the buzzer is connected to the digital pin 3. So I'll make it red, and it has anode and cathode. Basically cathode is connected to the ground. Okay, so same thing for the buzzer. Buzzer has negative, positive. Negative is connected to the ground. It's as simple as that. It's very easy. This connection is very easy. If you have any doubt, you can comment. Just comment below so that I can solve your doubt regarding connections or regarding any doubt you are having. Okay, so this is the circuit diagram. So now let's go to the code. This is the very important part. Now I have done this coding using the Arduino C language. Now you can see now how to do this coding. For that I have one simple solution for you, all of you. So if you still have a doubt, you can ask me. So basically I have got this code from the official Arduino website. Okay, so I will tell you. So first of all I wanted to tell you how to insert the library here. How to insert the library. अभी library कैसे add करेंगे अपन यहाँ पे. So basically just click here for libraries. So you can add the libraries. Now you might have questions regarding what is library. So let's comment below so that I can understand you wanted to know about the libraries and all. So library is basically, there is a pre-written code so that you can access few functions and use in your code. Okay, so this is the library. So you can just click on this, so you will include the library. So here in the coding you can see I have included this library, that is #include IRremote.h. So now you can get this code from the official website of Arduino. Like here I have got, I'll give the link of this website as well in the description, don't worry. So here they have used the IR receiver, you can see, and below they have used the same code, you can see here, right? So just you need to modify few things like receiver pin connections you need to modify, and few connections that we have done like in our coding. Here I have done the LED, here I have used the LED and the buzzer. So कुछ बेसिक चीजें ही आपको चेंज करना पड़ेगा. So I'll walk you through the code. Let's see. So this is the receiver pin. I have connected to the digital pin 10. Yes, I have written there. In case here you can see it is connected to the 7. So just that is modified. That's what I have modified. Few lines of code you need to modify. So I have declared one LED. This one LED 1 to pin number 2 and buzzer to pin number 3. Okay, and also you need to specify the आउटपुट मोड्स ऑफ दिस. यू नीड टू स्पेसिफाई द मोड, यानी ये कौन से मोड पे काम कर रहे हैं, एलईडी और बजर, ये इनपुट है या आउटपुट है, आपको स्पेसिफाई करना पड़ेगा. एंड दिस शुड बी स्पेसिफाइड इन void setup, and you all know that void setup runs only once. Whenever your microcontroller start or Arduino start, the void setup runs only one. So I have set the mode, that is LED is output and also buzzer is the output. After that the decode the value of IR receiver or IR, that code, hex code is stored in the this. I'll tell you where it gets stored. yes, it gets stored here, results.value. It gets stored here, results.value. You can see, right? This gets stored in results.value. Now you wanted to print this value as a hex code. Okay, I'll explain you that as well. Don't worry. So how to get this value and convert it into hex and all. Okay. So basically, we were able to print the, we are able to decode the IR sensors code into hex. Okay, so we'll see that. So now here I have done few modifications to turn on the LED and the buzzer. So what I have done here, first of all, I'll show you that how it works. First of all, I have printed two values here. You can see one is hex value as well. I have printed serial.println. I have printed hex value as well as the decimal value. You can see. So I'll start the simulation so that you can see. So if I press 1 of the remote, just a second, I'll zoom it. If I press of the 1 on the remote, you can see here is the hex value and here is the decimal value you can get. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just copy this decimal value and I'll convert this value. I'll try to convert. Let's place it here. Once again, I'll copy this one here from here, copy and paste it here. Okay, and convert. Now you can see there is a hex code is here, FD08F7. Now same code is here also. So you are getting the hex code as well as, and you are getting the decimal code as well here. Now what I have done, I have written some few conditional statement. यहाँ पे देखिए मैंने दो conditional statement यूज किए हैं और यहाँ पे मैंने देखिए decimal code को print करने के लिए मैंने यूज किया है serial.println result.value. I have not written here any hex. So so यहाँ पे मुझे decimal value मिल गई है. So now here you can see I have used conditional statement that if the result value is equal to this. Now what does it mean? It means when I press 1, so I'll get this value. Just a second. This value I'll get. So I have written here. So when I press 1, I'll get this value. So if I press 1, then digital write LED1 high, and I have given the delay. Okay. So LED1 low. उसके बाद भी delay दिया है. That means it will turn on and off. So same thing for the button 2. You can see. So whenever I press the button 2, it will generate the sound. The buzzer will generate the sound. You can see turn on and off. Okay. So this is how I have programmed. So it's very easy. You just need to modify a few lines of code. If you have a doubt in this Arduino code, so I'll make a separate video for this as well. So for complete step by step from the scratch, right? So if you have a doubt, please let me know in the comment. So please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.